No, but see,
change of issues.
in the event of change of leadership,
Yes.
I prefer Dr. Parmeshwar. Even today, I stand by Siddaramaiah. If the High Command decides to change the leadership, then I prefer Parmeshwar.
So,
My personal prediction of today's program at Trivandrum, according to me, it is not by anybody's recommendations or anybody's institution. It is according to me. CM Siddaramaiah ji visiting Trivandrum and attending the the swearing ceremony of the Kerala Chief Minister. So this swearing ceremony scheduled for 10 o'clock in the morning. So it will be lost by 30 minutes or 45 minutes maximum. After that, Siddaramaiah is staying back in Trivandrum, wherein our party president Kharge ji and our LOP, Mr. Rahul Gandhi ji and Venugopal, everybody will be there only. So there may be some discussion about the giving permission for the expansion or reshuffle or for the change of leadership. That can be discussed today only. According to my guessing, it is not from anybody's mouth.